All right, it's time to check it. Did the fix work? Can we make this thing work? Now, before I show you, I want to show you something right here. Let's take a look at this. This is the diagram for Cab Forward. It does not tell you how to put the thing together. All it does is enumerate the parts, and I'm having some trouble deciphering which part goes where on attaching these trucks. But we're getting slowly solved, one puzzle piece at a time, and we'll get it together. Because behind me, I'll show you in a second after we test this, behind me is something else. So let's see. Does it work? Did we make it work? Let's get down here now. We are testing that truck right there, the one where we had to kind of force this bunch of cylinders to fit and work. And they've tested on the workbench okay, but will it test with power? So we've got a face ripper attached. We've got our differentials put together. And this is the Loctite. We used this Loctite Gel on those gears and shafts. We gave it 48 hours that it says for full strength. Now we're going to test it. So let me dial her up here. Alright, check it out. It's working. I want to show you something else that's working. Alright, so it's turning. Let's check our power supply. Look at that. 1.38 volts. I think we can go less. 0.97 volts. Okay, let's do a fine adjustment. Oops, we can't do a fine adjustment right yet. I want to get it to 1 volt exactly. Close enough, close enough. 1.02 volts. That's working. Let's get back down in here. Okay, I'm stalling out a little bit. Alright. Now, let's go, there's 2 volts. There's 6. There's 16 volts. There's 24 volts. Right there. $24 volts. Oh no, we crapped out. Oh damn. Okay. Alright. But as you can see, we can go pretty high on this guy. I think we went off the rails here a little bit. But looking good. Now we gotta figure out the attachment for this guy. How does he attach? How does he attach on? And to do that also, I do believe this guy's got to go on with it. And then there's a little thing that goes between the two. This goes between the two sets of trucks here. And then we'll test it again with both of them on there. And I think we have it. Looking pretty good. All right. Let's continue on. Oh, I got a surprise for you. I'll show it to you in the next video.